Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract success, abundance, love, and opportunities, while others struggle despite working incredibly hard? Is manifestation simply wishful thinking? Is it magic? Or is there actual science behind the process? What if I told you that modern neuroscience, psychology, quantum physics, and biology all offer fascinating insights into why manifestation works, not because the universe magically grants wishes, but because your mind, emotions, beliefs, and actions create measurable changes in your reality? Today, we are diving deep into the science behind manifestation. By the end of this video, you'll understand why manifestation is far more than positive thinking and how you can use scientifically supported principles to create the life you truly desire. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. What exactly is manifestation? Manifestation is the intentional process of bringing your goals, dreams, and desires into reality through your thoughts, beliefs, emotions, and consistent actions. Notice something important. Manifestation isn't about sitting on your couch imagining millions of dollars falling from the sky. Instead, manifestation is about becoming the kind of person who naturally creates the results you desire. Your external world often reflects your internal world. Your beliefs influence your decisions. Your decisions shape your actions. Your actions create your results. Science completely agrees with this chain of events. The brain, your most powerful manifestation tool. The biggest misconception about manifestation is that it happens outside you. Actually, manifestation begins inside your brain. Your brain processes nearly 11 million bits of information every second, yet your conscious mind can handle only around 40 to 50 bits. That means your brain constantly filters reality. This filtering system is called the reticular activating system, or RAS. The reticular activating system, RAS. Imagine buying a brand new blue car. Suddenly, you begin seeing that exact model everywhere. Did everyone suddenly buy the same car? No. Your brain simply started paying attention to something that had become important. The reticular activating system acts like a search engine. Whatever you repeatedly focus on becomes important. When you constantly think, I never have enough money, your brain searches for proof. When you consistently think, opportunities are everywhere, your brain starts noticing opportunities that were always there. Manifestation works because focus changes perception. Perception changes behavior. Behavior changes outcomes. Neuroplasticity, rewiring your brain. For decades, scientists believed the brain became fixed after childhood. Today, we know that's completely false. The brain continuously rewires itself. This is called neuroplasticity. Every repeated thought strengthens neural pathways. Imagine walking through a forest. The first walk creates a tiny path. Walk again. The path becomes clearer. After hundreds of walks, you create a highway. Your thoughts work exactly the same way. Repeated fear creates fear pathways. Repeated confidence creates confidence pathways. Repeated abundance thinking creates abundance pathways. Manifestation literally changes the structure of your brain. The power of beliefs. Every human being carries subconscious beliefs formed during childhood. Examples include I am worthy. I am not enough. Money is difficult. Life is hard. I deserve success. These beliefs become invisible programs running your life. Imagine trying to drive with the parking brake engaged. No matter how hard you press the accelerator, progress is slow. Limiting beliefs work the same way. Changing these beliefs is one of the biggest keys to manifestation. The placebo effect: your mind influences your body. One of the strongest scientific demonstrations of manifestation like effects is the placebo effect. Patients receive sugar pills believing they are medicine. Yet many recover. Why? Because expectation changes biology. The brain releases dopamine. Endorphins increase. Pain decreases. Healing improves. The belief itself creates measurable physiological changes. If belief can influence healing, imagine what belief can do for confidence, creativity, relationships, and performance. Visualize success, mental practice that changes performance. Elite athletes used to visualize every day. Olympic champions mentally rehearse winning. Professional musicians imagine performing perfectly. Surgeons mentally practice complex operations. Studies show that this activates many of the same neural circuits used during real performance. Your brain doesn't completely distinguish between vividly imagined experiences and actual experiences. When you repeatedly visualize success, confidence increases, stress decreases, performance improves. Manifestation isn't fantasy, it's mental rehearsal. Emotions, the fuel behind manifestation. Thoughts create direction. Emotions create energy. Imagine planting a seed. Thoughts are the seed. Emotions are the water. Without emotional engagement, manifestation becomes weak. Feel gratitude. Feel excitement. Feel love. Feel confidence. These emotions influence your physiology. Your posture changes. Your breathing changes. Your facial expressions change. Your decisions improve. Your interactions improve. Your results improve. Stress versus creation. The brain has two primary operating modes: survival mode, creation mode. When you're constantly anxious, fearful, or overwhelmed, your body releases cortisol. High cortisol reduces creativity. Decision making worsens. Memory declines. Problem solving decreases. Manifestation becomes difficult because your brain is focused on survival. Meditation helps shift the brain from survival into creation. This is why meditation plays such an important role in manifestation. Heart-brain coherence. Researchers studying heart-brain communication discovered something remarkable. When feelings like gratitude, appreciation, compassion, and love increase, the heart rhythm becomes more coherent. The brain functions more efficiently. Focus improves. Emotional regulation improves. Decision making improves. Manifestation becomes easier because your entire nervous system works together. The law of attention. Psychologists often say, what you focus on expands in your awareness. This doesn't mean the universe magically creates more problems. It means your attention magnifies whatever occupies your mind. Focus on failure. You notice obstacles. Focus on possibility. You notice opportunities. Your life follows your attention. Self-fulfilling prophecy. Teachers expecting students to excel often unconsciously encourage them more. Students then perform better. This phenomenon has been repeatedly observed. Likewise, expect success. Behave confidently. Take more action. Receive better outcomes. Expectation changes behavior. Behavior changes reality. The identity shift. Many people try to manifest different results while keeping the same identity. They say, I want wealth. Yet they still think like someone trapped in scarcity. Real manifestation asks a different question. Who must I become? Successful people think differently. Healthy people behave differently. Peaceful people respond differently. Manifestation begins with identity transformation. Gratitude changes the brain. Gratitude isn't simply good manners. Neuroscience shows gratitude activates reward centers in the brain. It increases dopamine. It increases serotonin. These chemicals improve motivation, optimism, and emotional resilience. Grateful people notice more opportunities. They build stronger relationships. They make better long term decisions. Gratitude becomes a manifestation amplifier. Meditation and manifestation. Meditation quiets mental noise. It reduces stress, improves emotional regulation, enhances self awareness, strengthens focus. When your mind becomes quieter, your intentions become clearer. Instead of reacting automatically, you begin creating consciously. This is why nearly every ancient spiritual tradition emphasizes meditation before manifestation. Quantum physics, separating science from myth. Many manifestation discussions mention quantum physics. Let's be careful. Quantum mechanics studies the behavior of extremely small particles such as electrons and photons. Some people claim it proves that thoughts directly create physical reality. Current mainstream science does not support that conclusion. However, quantum physics does remind us that reality at the microscopic level is more complex than our everyday intuition suggests. It inspires philosophical discussions about observation and possibility, but it should not be used as proof that simply thinking about something will make it appear. The strongest scientific support for manifestation comes from psychology, neuroscience, behavior change, and habit formation, not from overstated claims about quantum physics. Habits create reality. Manifestation isn't one session where you visualize. It's repeated daily habits, small actions, repeated consistently, become extraordinary results. One page daily becomes books completed. One workout daily becomes fitness. One investment monthly becomes wealth. Tiny habits compound into massive transformations. The four pillars of scientific manifestation. Pillar 1, clear intention. Know exactly what you want. Vague goals create vague outcomes. Specific goals create focused action. Pillar 2, emotional alignment. Feel as though your desired future matters today. Cultivate gratitude, confidence, and hope. Pillar 3, inspired action. Manifestation requires movement. Apply for the job. Start the business. Have the conversation. Learn the skill. Action bridges intention and reality. Pillar 4, consistency. Success isn't created overnight. It's created daily. Consistency beats intensity. Daily manifestation routine. Here's a simple daily practice you can follow. Every morning, spend 5 minutes in silence. Visualize your ideal day. Feel genuine gratitude. Repeat empowering affirmations. Write your top 3 priorities. Take one meaningful action toward your biggest goal. Every evening, reflect on what went well. Celebrate progress. Release stress. Visualize tomorrow's success before sleeping. These small practices gradually reshape your thinking, emotions, and behavior. Common manifestation mistakes. Many people unknowingly block their own progress. They focus only on what they lack. They expect instant results. They visualize but never act. They constantly doubt themselves. They compare their journey with others. Manifestation isn't about perfection. It's about persistence. Ancient wisdom meets modern science. Ancient spiritual traditions have taught for thousands of years. As you think, so shall you become. Modern neuroscience now tells us. Repeated thoughts shape neural pathways. Repeated emotions shape physiology. Repeated actions shape destiny. Different language. Same principle. Your mind is a garden. Imagine your mind as a beautiful garden. Every thought is a seed. Every emotion waters those seeds. Every habit nourishes them. If you plant fear, worry, and self doubt, those weeds will grow. If you plant gratitude, confidence, courage, and purpose, those flowers will flourish. Nature doesn't judge the seed. It simply grows what is planted consistently. Your subconscious works in much the same way. Manifestation isn't magic. It's the intentional alignment of your thoughts, beliefs, emotions, identity, and actions. Science shows that your brain can change. Your beliefs can change. Your habits can change. And when those change, your life can change too. The universe may present opportunities, but it's your awareness that notices them, your mindset that believes in them, and your actions that bring them to life. Remember this. Your thoughts plant the seed. Your emotions nourish the seed. Your actions help it grow. Your consistency allows it to bloom. That is the real science behind manifestation. If this video helped you understand manifestation from both a scientific and practical perspective, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more content on meditation, manifestation, mindfulness, and conscious living. In the comments below, answer this question. What is one dream you're committed to manifesting this year? Write it down with confidence. Your declaration is the first step toward making it a reality. Thank you for watching, and remember, the life you desire begins with the thoughts you choose, the beliefs you strengthen, the emotions you cultivate, and the actions you take every single day.